So the computer has two antivirus programs, and one of them is avg and the other one is avest, and avg is causing some problems and the computer is not starting. Okay, the computer restarted and I will press F8 on the keyboard. That one, not too many times, because now. So when the operating system selection menu was shown, then I pressed F8. If you press it too many times, then it will simply take it as number 8 and it will start Windows. Okay, so here start, let's say 4, safe mode. Enable safe mode. So press 4 on the keyboard. 4, and Windows should enter into safe mode. So we are here in safe mode. In the corners it's mentioning safe mode. You don't have internet connection. Okay, close that one. So right click on the start menu, right click and go to apps and features. It's not visible. So the top one, apps and features. Now one of the antivirus was avest, how you call it, and the other one is avg. So let's get out, let's say avest, search for it, click on it and uninstall. So uninstall one of the antivirus softwares. Uninstall. An attempt has been made to uninstall avest. Yes, continue. Restart the computer. Windows 10 is restarting, and let's see if Windows will be able to start or not. Yes, it started. So never install two antivirus software at the same time. Use just one, not two. Okay, now the PC is usable, it's functional.